Hi, my name is Noelle Carrington. I am 38 years old, coming from Northeast Pennsylvania in the Poconos, where I live with my husband and three children. So the question is, what brought us to this program at this point in our careers? And after the first class and being overwhelmed with juggling and balancing it all, I'm kind of asking myself the same thing, but especially jumping right into the new course. But the truth is, working with children and families in my community is my passion. I've been working in the community through behavioral health services for approximately 8 years with my master's in education as a related field. So I'm really looking to reach more families and expand my opportunities to do that and increase my knowledge base in order to be the most effective I can be with them. So I'm really excited about taking on the challenge and moving into this next course. And I see some familiar names on the roster and some new names, so I look forward to hearing all of your stories and getting to know them as we go through the course. Thanks so much for listening. Bye.